Hey Pepper, ready to get your hands dirty?
Always. Are we talking about gardening today?
You bet. Planning a home gardening day.
Oh, I love this topic.
Me too. There's something so satisfying about growing your own plants.
Whether it's vegetables, herbs, or flowers.
Exactly. And today, we'll walk through how to plan the perfect gardening day.
From start to finish.
We'll cover everything you need to know.
Even if you're a complete beginner.
Trust me, it's easier than you think.
And so rewarding.
You get fresh food right from your backyard.
Or balcony.
Right? You don't need a huge space.
Even a small patio works.
Plus, it's great exercise.
And stress relief.
Gardening is like meditation for many people.
I totally agree.
Let's dig in.
Nice pun.
Thanks. I couldn't resist.
So, first things first. When should you plan your gardening day?
Great question. Weather is crucial.
You don't want to plant in extreme heat.
Or freezing cold.
Check the forecast a few days ahead.
Look for mild temperatures.
Between 60 and 75 degrees is ideal.
And avoid windy days.
Wind can damage young plants.
It also dries out the soil quickly.
What about rain?
A little drizzle is okay.
But heavy rain? Not so much.
It makes the soil too muddy.
Hard to work with.
Plus, you'll get soaked.
Not fun at all.
What's the best season?
Depends on what you're planting.
Spring is popular for most vegetables.
The soil warms up nicely.
Fall works great for cool season crops.
Like lettuce and broccoli. Summer is perfect for tomatoes and peppers.
They love the heat.
At about winter.
Some hardy grains can survive.
Like kale and spinach.
But most plants go dormant.
And what time of day?
Early morning is best.
Why is that?
Cooler temperatures, less sun stress.
Plus, you have the whole day ahead.
Exactly. You're not rushed.
And the morning light is beautiful.
It really is.
Avoid midday if possible.
Too hot. And the sun is intense.
You'll tire out quickly.
Evening can work too.
But you might run out of daylight.
Good point. Now, what should you plant?
This is the fun part.
But it can be overwhelming.
So many choices.
Start with what you'll actually use.
If you love salads, grow lettuce and tomatoes.
If you cook a lot, herbs are perfect.
Basil, parsley, cilantro.
All super easy to grow.
What about flowers?
Marigolds and sunflowers are beginner friendly.
They're also beautiful.
And marigolds repel pests naturally.
That's a bonus.
Consider your space too.
Do you have a big yard or just a balcony?
Containers work great for small spaces.
You can grow almost anything in pots.
Tomatoes, peppers, even strawberries.
I've seen people grow cucumbers in containers.
Yes, vertical growing saves space.
What about companion planting?
Oh, that's interesting.
Some plants grow better together.
Like tomatoes and basil.
Or carrots and onions.
They help each other thrive.
And repel pests naturally.
They're like plant buddies.
Exactly. Do some research on this.
It really makes a difference.
What shouldn't you plant together?
Good question. Some plants compete.
like tomatoes and potatoes.
They attract the same pests.
And beans don't like onions.
They inhibit each other's growth.
Interesting.
Start with 3 to 5 types of plants.
Don't overwhelm yourself.
You can always expand later.
Think about harvest times too.
Some plants mature quickly.
Radishes are ready in 3 weeks.
Lettuce takes about a month.
But tomatoes need 2 to 3 months.
Plan for continuous harvests.
Plant new seeds every few weeks.
That way you always have fresh produce.
Smart thinking. All right, let's talk supplies.
You'll need some basic tools.
A trowel is essential.
That's the small hand shovel,
Garden gloves protect your hands.
especially from thorns and splinters.
A watering can or hose.
I prefer a hose with a spray nozzle.
For control over water pressure.
Pruning shears for trimming.
And a rake for leveling soil.
A small spade is useful too.
For digging larger holes.
Don't forget the soil itself.
Good quality potting mix is important.
Not just dirt from your yard.
Potting mix has the nutrients plants need.
It's also lighter and drains better.
What about fertilizer?
Organic compost is great.
For a balanced fertilizer.
Look for numbers like 10, 10, 10.
That's nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium.
The 3 main nutrients plants need.
Nitrogen for leaves.
Phosphorus for roots.
Potassium for overall health.
Seeds or seedlings.
Seedlings are easier for beginners.
They're already started.
But seeds are cheaper.
And you get more variety.
Seeds take longer though.
True, but it's rewarding to watch them grow.
What about containers?
Choose ones with drainage holes.
Size matters too.
Bigger plants need bigger pots.
At least 12 inches deep for tomatoes.
Make a shopping list before you go.
Check what you already have at home.
No need to buy duplicates.
Budget matters too.
Start small and add tools as needed.
You don't need everything at once.
Exactly.
Great. Now we have everything we need.
Perfect. Time to prepare your garden space.
This is important groundwork.
Literally.
First, choose your location.
Most vegetables need 6 to 8 hours of sun.
So pick a sunny spot.
Observe your yard throughout the day.
See where the sun hits most.
Clear away any weeds or debris.
Remove rocks and old roots.
This prevents problems later.
Test your soil if possible.
You can buy a simple test kit.
It tells you the pH level,
Most plants like slightly acidic soil.
around 6 to 7 pH.
If your soil is too acidic or alkaline,
You can amend it,
add lime to raise pH.
or sulfur to lower it.
Now, decide on beds or containers.
Raised beds are popular,
They're easier on your back.
and you control the soil quality.
Plus, they drain better.
Containers are great for patios.
Make sure they have drainage holes.
Water needs to escape.
Otherwise, roots rot.
How deep should containers be?
Depends on the plant.
Lettuce needs 6 inches.
Tomatoes need at least 12.
How much space between plants?
Read the seed packet or plant tag.
It tells you spacing requirements.
Usually a few inches apart.
Give them room to grow.
Crowded plants compete for nutrients.
And they are more prone to disease.
Air circulation is important too.
Prevents fungal problems.
Should we till the soil?
If it's compacted, yes.
Loosen it up, about 6 inches deep.
But don't over-till.
That can damage soil structure.
Add compost if your soil is poor.
Mix it in well.
This improves drainage and nutrients.
Your plants will thank you.
Okay, let's actually plan.
This is the exciting part.
First, water your soil lightly.
Not soaking wet, just moist.
This makes it easier to work with.
Dig holes for your plants.
Twice as wide as the root ball.
And just as deep.
Not deeper.
Gently remove the plant from its container.
Be careful with the roots.
Squeeze the pot gently first.
That helps release the plant.
If they're tangled, loosen them gently.
This encourages outward growth.
Place the plant in the hole.
Make sure it's at the same depth as before.
Not too deep, not too shallow.
The soil line should match.
Fill in with soil around the roots.
Press down gently to remove air pockets.
But don't pack it too tight.
Roots need to breathe.
And they need room to expand.
Now water thoroughly.
This helps settle the soil.
And gives plants a good start.
Water until it drains from the bottom.
For containers, that is.
What about mulch?
Great question. Mulch is super helpful.
It keeps moisture in the soil.
And prevents weeds.
Plus, it regulates soil temperature.
Use wood chips, straw, or leaves.
Spread it around your plants.
About 2 inches thick.
Don't pile it against the stems, though.
That can cause rot.
Leave a small gap around each plant.
An inch or 2 is fine.
Finally, label your plants.
Especially if you planted several types.
Use popsicle sticks or plant markers.
Write the name and date.
You'll thank yourself later.
Trust me on this.
I've forgotten what I planted before.
Me too.
It's frustrating when harvest time comes.
And you don't know what's what.
Your plants are in the ground. Now what?
Ongoing care is crucial.
Water regularly, especially at first.
New plants need consistent moisture.
Check the soil daily.
Stick your finger in about 1 inch deep.
If it's dry, water.
If it's moist, wait.
Overwatering is as bad as underwatering.
It can drown the roots.
Water in the morning if possible.
Why morning?
Plants have all day to dry off.
Wet leaves at night invite disease.
Fungal problems especially.
How much water do plants need?
About 1 inch per week.
Including rainfall.
Deep watering is better than frequent shallow watering.
It encourages deep root growth.
What about pests?
Check your plants regularly.
Look under leaves for bugs.
Aphids, caterpillars, slugs,
Remove them by hand if you can.
or use organic pest control.
Neem oil works well.
So does insecticidal soap.
What about beneficial insects?
Good point. Not all bugs are bad.
Ladybugs eat aphids.
Bees pollinate your plants.
Don't kill everything you see.
Learn to identify the good guys.
Weeds will pop up
Pull them when they're small.
before they go to seed.
One weed can produce thousands of seeds.
Mulch helps prevent weeds too.
Should we fertilize?
Yes, but not right away.
Wait a few weeks after planting.
Then feed every 2 to 4 weeks.
Follow package directions.
Too much fertilizer can burn plants.
When can you harvest?
Depends on what you planted.
Lettuce in about 30 days.
Tomatoes take 60 to 80 days.
Check your seed packets for timing.
Harvest in the morning when possible.
Plants are most hydrated then.
And the flavor is best.
Don't wait too long to harvest.
Overripe vegetables lose quality.
Pick regularly to encourage more production.
The more you harvest, the more they produce.
Let's talk about making it fun.
Gardening shouldn't feel like a chore.
Invite friends or family.
Make it a social event.
Kids love getting involved.
They can water plants or pull weeds.
Give them their own small plot.
They'll feel ownership and pride.
Put on some music.
Create a gardening playlist.
Something upbeat and fun.
I like classic rock while gardening.
I prefer jazz.
Whatever makes you happy.
Take breaks with snacks and drinks.
Lemonade on a warm day.
Perfect. And take lots of photos.
Document your progress.
You'll love looking back.
Seeing how much your garden grew.
It's so satisfying.
Share your harvest with neighbors.
They'll appreciate fresh vegetables.
And it builds community.
Join a gardening club or forum.
Learn from experienced gardeners.
And share your own experiences.
Celebrate your successes.
Even small ones matter.
Your first tomato is exciting.
No matter how small it is.
Keep a garden journal.
Note what works and what doesn't.
It helps you improve each year.
And it's fun to read later.
You'll see your progress over the years.
And remember what worked best.
It's like a gardening diary. Let's wrap up with key takeaways.
Choose a good weather day.
Plan what you'll plant ahead of time.
Gather all your supplies first.
Prepare your space properly.
Plant carefully and water well.
Keep up with regular care.
Check your plants daily.
Watch for pests and diseases.
Harvest at the right time.
And most importantly, have fun.
Don't stress about perfection.
Every gardener makes mistakes.
Even experienced ones.
I still kill plants sometimes.
Me too. It happens.
Learn as you go.
Your garden will teach you.
Start small and expand over time.
Don't try to do everything at once.
Before you know it, you'll be a pro.
And you'll have fresh food to enjoy.
Nothing beats homegrown vegetables.
The taste is incredible.
Plus, you know exactly what went into them.
No pesticides or chemicals.
Just sun, water, and love.
Remember, gardening is a journey.
Not a destination.
Some seasons will be better than others.
That's okay.
Nature is unpredictable.
But that's part of the adventure.
Thanks for joining us today.
We hope you feel inspired.
Happy gardening, everyone.
Get out there and grow something amazing.
See you next time.
Bye.